Good morning, Miss Curdy here, and today we're going to be talking about topic 12-1, which is dividing regions into equal parts. And as we discussed in Miss Curdy's top 10 about fractions, fractions must have equal parts. If it's not equal parts, then we can't consider them fractions. So take a look at these two images below. Here we have an image that's been broken up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. But you'll notice that the pieces are not equal because we only have 4 unit squares down here and 2, 4, 6, 8 unit squares down here. So this is unequal, and we could not consider using that for fractions. Over here, though, we have another image that's been broken up into 4 pieces, and each piece is the same size. So here we have equal pieces, and that we can talk about fractions. And in this image, since we have 4 pieces, we know our denominator is going to be 4, and each of those would be 1/4 as our unit fraction. And 4/4 would equal the whole thing. Alright, so let's talk about dividing shapes into equal parts. So there's going to be often times where you're given an image like this, where you have your shape drawn on a grid, and they want you to divide it into equal parts. This is going to be similar to when we are using our division facts. So what we want to do is we want to figure out, well, how many unit squares do I have inside total? Find that number. Then we're going to divide that total by the number of equal parts we need. So in both of these cases, we're going to be making 6 equal parts, and that will let us know how many groups of we need to make. So I'm going to count all the squares first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across. 6 times 6 equals 36. So I have 36 squares in total for that first shape. Now I want to divide the total by the number of equal parts I need. I need 6 equal parts. So 36 divided by 6, and that will give me 6. So I need to make that many groups. Make groups of that many, 6 groups of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. I could have also gone down vertically to make my groups. Either way, I will have 6 equal groups. Alright, down here, I need to divide this shape into 6 equal parts. So first I'm going to count up my total. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and then divide it by that 6, which would give me 2. So I need 6 groups of 2. 6 groups of 2. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 2. And now I have my 6 equal pieces. So again, just a recap. Whenever we're talking about fractions, we always need equal pieces. If our shape is divided up unequally, we cannot discuss fractions with it. They always have to be the same size pieces. In order to divide a shape into equal pieces, what we would do is first count all of the unit squares we have inside, then divide that by the total, divide the total by the equal parts that we need, and then make groups of that many. So in this case, it was 6 groups of 6. Here we have 6 groups with 2 in each. That is it for 12-1. You may glue this in your notebook, and I will meet you back here for 12-2. Have a lovely day.